When it comes to bats, opinions seem to be split. To many, they are a terrifying menace, synonymous with dangerous viruses like COVID-19. However, to researchers and biotech investors, bats are nothing short of a miracle mammal. They hold the potential to prevent pandemics, unlock groundbreaking treatments for deadly human diseases, and even slow down the aging process. Bats, unlike humans, can carry viruses that are lethal to us without getting sick themselves. They rarely suffer from cancer and possess the extraordinary ability to fly. Some bats even live the human equivalent of over 200 years. These fascinating creatures have propelled a group of scientists into decoding their superpowers. "We can only dream of doing the things bats can," said Linfa Wang, a bat expert who has dedicated 3 decades of research to these winged wonders. One company, Paratus Sciences Corporation, has committed $100 million to study bats for the purpose of developing new drugs that combat not only viruses but also diseases like cancer, diabetes, and aging. The company's efforts have already identified drug targets that can address inflammation, a key factor in various illnesses. The National Institute of Allergy and Infectious Diseases is also investing in bat research, particularly into their immune systems, which could potentially lead to therapies for inflammation and infectious diseases. Additionally, an international consortium called Bat1K is undertaking the task of sequencing the genomes of all 1,462 living bat species. While finding cures for diseases like COVID-19 and cancer in bats may be a long shot and could take years, the urgency brought about by the COVID-19 pandemic has increased the interest in understanding how bats naturally ward off viral infections. Currently, only a few labs worldwide have colonies of live bats for research purposes, making the study of bat biology still in its infancy. Despite the challenges, scientists remain hopeful, drawing inspiration from past successes in exploring animal biology for medical breakthroughs. Bats, however, stand out due to their unique superpowers, such as tolerating viruses without falling ill. Their diversity, comprising more than 22% of mammal species, and their contribution to the environment by pollinating plants, eating mosquitoes, and reseeding forests, further emphasize their significance. The ability of bats to avoid sickness while getting infected is thought to be a result of millions of years of adaptation to their flying mammal lifestyles. These animals consume large amounts of food, with some eating their body weight in insects every day or lapping up 1.5 times their weight in nectar. Only 3 bat species indulge in drinking blood. The demands of flight and the increased metabolic rate during flight may have shaped their immune systems to limit inflammation caused by stress or danger. Emma Teeling, a zoologist, suggests that bats' immune systems and their response to inflammation might hold the key to fighting aging. Her decade-long research on wild bats has revealed their increased ability to repair DNA with age. Paratus' efforts aim to capitalize on these findings by understanding how the extreme physiology of bats can guide the development of effective drugs. Dr. Zwaka, one of the founders of Paratus, has made a significant breakthrough in bat research. His team successfully created pluripotent stem cells from bats, a feat that had eluded scientists in the past. These stem cells could be used to produce different types of bat tissue for further study. The large round bat stem cells exhibit unique characteristics, displaying tiny vesicles with virus-like structures and the activation of genes not present in other stem cells. The integration of viral genes into their genome further confirms bats' exceptional tolerance to viruses. Collaboration with academic and government scientists is a key strategy for Paratus in unraveling the mysteries surrounding bat physiology. By comparing data from bat and human cells, as well as studying various bat species with different lifestyles, the company aims to gain insights